Cooking with cross thread. Alright, so today we're starting out with 1 pound of ground pork. Cooking it in some water to help break it up nice. Got the oven preheating to 400 degrees. This is what I like to call white boy enchiladas. We got our trusty pan and some flour tortillas. You know you gotta have them flour tortillas. I buy the cheapest ones possible. I always buy the big deal from Kroger. It's 2 15-count twin packs, and it's like $5. You can't beat it. I use them for sandwich those kinds wraps, you know, whatever I want. And please excuse the fact that my kitchen is always a mess. I appreciate you guys dealing with me. Now, while we're waiting for that to brown, we're going to go ahead and open up our can let me get the lid out of here. We got a can of dog food over here. Can of vegetarian refried beans. I don't need meat in my beans. Keep browning. Alright, at this point what I like to do, now that it's starting to get a little bit of brown in there, I like to throw some jalapenos in there. I like to just cook them jalapenos down with the meat. We can kind of go through. Oh my God, they're strong. These are literally the hottest jalapenos I've ever had. If they were smell-o-vision, all you'd smell right now is jalapenos. But by cooking them down, we kind of cook a little bit of the flavor out of them, cook a little bit of the spice out of them, I should say. You can kind of get left with more of the flavor, which is what I generally prefer. Somehow, I bought the hottest jalapenos on the planet, and they're not even labeled as hot. Normally, you know how they normally label them, like, you know, mild, and then it's not labeled, and then it's hot. I usually get the ones that aren't labeled because I don't want the mild ones. I want a little bit of kick. But these, I don't know if they messed up in the canning process, what was going on, or in the labeling process. They are hot as can be. All right, I'm gonna dump some of this water out. Now bring it back over here and get it nice and brown. Cook the rest of that water out. I don't know how many of these we're going to wind up making, but set that off to the side. So while that's doing its things, we're going to go ahead and add just some pack of taco seasoning. Regular old reduced sodium seasoning because, well, I ain't trying to have a heart attack over here. I ain't trying to have high blood pressure. You know what I mean? I'm stressed out enough. I don't need the extra sodium causing me any troubles in my life. Oh yeah, it's starting to cook up nice. This jalapeno is all chopped up in there. Now at this point we're going to go ahead and throw in a little bit of the original Danos. And we're going to get our refried beans out. And we're just going to put those right into the meat. Going to add a little bit of water. Alright, let's bring it back over to the heat. I want all those beans. So now we're just going to start mixing it all together. Got to mix the Danos, the beans, the meat, everything. Get it all mixed up real nice. I mean, if this ain't a white trash Mexican meal, I don't know what is. But you know what? It tastes good. What did you just say to me? It's not Mexican enough? Well, let's break out some salsa verde. How about that? Dump a little bit of salsa verde in there. Salsa verde, whatever. We're dropping it right in there. I'm going to throw these tortillas in the microwave for just, I don't know, 30 seconds, baby, tops. Clean your mess as you go, guys. Oh, that's just, I made a mess there. Dang on it. Made me a refried bean mess over here. I'm just trying to get these warm and malleable, whatever that word is. Oh, what's up? We got the Mexican blend. How you gonna tell me this ain't real Mexican when I put salsa verde, whatever, taco seasoning, and Mexican cheese in there? You can't tell me this ain't real Mexican. I will fight you all day long on the fact that this is real Mexican. Breaking out a paper plate because I do not like to create more mess than I need to. Just gonna load her on up. Look at that. Can y'all see what I'm doing here? I'm gonna load up some of the, the stuff we just cooked up. Why are you not open? Come on now, really? I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese in each one of these little pockets. All right, not much. All right, somebody still needs to show me how to properly roll a burrito type thing. There we go, just a little bit of cheese. So I'm gonna finish getting these all loaded up, and then I'll show you what our creation looks like. All right, guys. So I got them all laid out here. I got a total of 9 of the, white trash enchiladas happening. So we're gonna come through with the leftover of our Mexican cheese, and we're just gonna dump her on there. We like cheese. Then we're gonna come through and we're just gonna dump the rest of our salsa verde right on there. Oh man, look at that. We're gonna salsa verde the heck out of this thing. Wait! Salsa verde. I am using Herdez salsa verde mild. Whatever. Anyway, so I got it preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to throw these in there into the oven, and we're going to set a timer for 15 minutes, and then I'll get back to you as soon as this thing goes beep beep beep, and then I'll come and I'll get them out and I'll show you what we got. Hey guys, I just wanted to point this out about the Danos. I never noticed this until now, but if you turn around right here, it says yum yum, get you some. Get you some Danos in your life. That's going to be my new catchphrase. Yum, yum, get you some. Woo! Hey guys, I want to tell you a quick a quick second. That was the longest second ever. It wasn't quick by any means, but check out the Falcon video, the last one, over on my main page, right here. So go over there, check that out. If you're not subscribed over there, do it. I would appreciate you. Yeah, let's get back to this. 2, 1. All right, let's see what we got, folks. Ooh-wee. Now, if that ain't the best looking white trash enchiladas you have ever seen, I challenge you. Make a better white trash enchilada. Tag me in it. Oh shoot, I forgot. I'll feed all you. Beep. Yeah, let's let this rest. Let's let it set. Let's let it cool down. And then we're gonna cut us a slice. Alright guys, let's get us some of this. What do you say? I'm starving. I'm sitting in the other room watching Love and Death or something like that. I don't know. It's got my girlfriend WandaVision in it, or Wanda Maximoff, whatever her name is. Love her. And Jesse Plemons. You can't deny that guy's just incredible. Anyway, break us off a couple of them. we're gonna break out. I forgot to get sour cream. I'm running on empty here. So I'm gonna have to pick up some more sour cream, but we're gonna throw what we have. We're gonna make this meal work. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me bring you up closer to the microphone. Listen to this. Sounds good. All right, let's dive in. Plate's hot. Food's still hot. All right. See what we got. Ooh, look at all that. Oh my God. This is so freaking perfect. Try it. Don't try it. But if you don't try it, you're missing out. Simple, easy. You know, another $15 meal at most. So I would say give it a try. Again, I'll pack this up. This will last me. This is probably only gonna last me like 3 days, but whatever. It's freaking delicious. I love it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Again, go over and check out my main channel if you haven't. And y'all have a good one. Love you. Bye. Cooking with Cross Thread.